Hi, Creative World. So today we're unboxing these slime squishmallows. So yeah, and if you can hear people in over there, that's just my brother recording his video because oh yeah, by the way, you should go subscribe to his channel. There's Monster Jam Fan 2025. So if you search it up, go subscribe to him and like and subscribe this video. So today we are unboxing, which I probably said before. So then this, you probably seen my other videos where I unboxed squishmallow slimes. I just realized that they came out with new ones too. So this is mint ice cream. Look. It says no, never mind. So yes, chocolate scented. And then this one's supposed to be donut scented because it's a donut. And this looks like mint ice cream. So I'm gonna do best for last. So I'm gonna open this one first. Let's see. Wow, that was actually really easy. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. This is hard. So yeah, as you can see, it came off. So time to, and I'm doing this all one-handed because this is so hard. Ooh, this is cool. It's so sticky. This is why I got So here, I'm gonna do this because right now we're focused on. No, stop. I am so sorry about that. There you go. Because I have a holder. So, get that off. Yeah, put that back. Okay, so then this is a sprinkle. See if I can get it off. This is why I got my scissors. And as you can see, I got this. Well, you probably can't see that. I got this sprinkles, and I'm gonna open it. Okay. So it's just open because I don't really want it to be open right now. And then there's one stuck in the slime. Let's see if I can get it out. Look at all that slime. Ooh, that actually smells so good, Ashley. Why am I saying Ashley? So I got that out too. And look how cute that charm is, if you can see it. Look how cute that is. No, come back. That is so, stop falling. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah. So look how cute that charm is. Oh, I'm so bad at recording this. Look how cute that charm is. So here, let me get rid of that. I'm just gonna do it as decoration right now. So let's take out, so right now I'm taking out the charm right here. Look how cute that charm is. Here, I'll cut it open. Not cut it open, but cut the plastic off so we could see it even better. Doesn't that look identical? Here, you're gonna hang out right there. So like I said before, these are like sprinkles. So let's put it on. Whoa, that's a lot. Look how much sprinkles that is. Whoa. That feels so good. Like it feels so fluffy too. And it's really shiny. It doesn't look that shiny. There you go. Here, I'm gonna need to cut this one really quick. Here, I'm doing it really quick so you guys can see. There you go. Okay. So see, I cut it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm using my left hand right now. So as you can see, I cut it a different way to make it a little easier. But yeah. So now, let's see. I got it all, and that's a lot. So we're gonna stand up. Okay, ready, squish. Oh yeah, and by the way, did you see? It's 2 colors too. Some fell. It's so sparkly. ASMR. I'm wondering if you can hear that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now I need to dump it out. I'm so sorry. My phone is like so bad right now. Yeah, I'm trying to get not the color mixed up because I want you to see what the color looks like. Oh no, I got glitter all over my phone. So these, I'm so sorry. So these are the 2 colors. It's so sparkly. I'm so sorry. I can't hold my phone right now. What is that? To me, it smells like this boba shop that I go to. It's called Bamboo. It's really good. You should go there. It's next to Black and White, which is a nail shop. Oh, this feels so nice. You could see the other colors too. Wait, what color is this one? Oh, just wondering. So yeah, I don't really like the sprinkles that much because it kind of looks like, it makes it look like, let's say like brown. See? It looks like brown. So let's put this one away. Here, I'm just gonna collect all the rest of the sparkles. There you go. Put this one away. And then unbox that one. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be doing this short where I use or take all my slimes and I don't read them, but then I'll tell you like which is newest, which is probably gonna be these 2. So the short is called Slime Collection. So I'm really excited about that. And as you can see, I have this one, which is going to be really hard to open. I'm so sorry that you guys can't really see. It's because my phone, like I said like a billion times, it's not that good. Ooh, that kind of smells like chocolate. Well, probably, because look, see? Chocolate scented. So yeah, that's probably why it smells like chocolate. Whoa, look at those pink sparkles. Those are so sparkly. Those look like kind of like rose gold. Ah. Oh no, that made it worse. Like, look, that kind of looks like rose gold to me. But then I know it's pink. A lot of you guys are going to say in the comments it's pink. Ah, come on. I'm going to need you guys to sit you down. Stop it. I really don't like my phone right now. So, right here. Ah, I'm so sorry you can't see it. So, here, I'm taking out the other sparkles. Or, you know how there's 2 sparkles, right? Yeah, that smells like chocolate, actually. So, I'm taking out the charm. I'll show you the charm in a little bit. So, look how cute the charm is. It's almost like identical. But to me, this in the camera, it looks kind of blue, and this doesn't. Do you guys think that looks kind of blue? Let me know. But then in real life, it looks like, it's the same color. No. Yeah. Just gonna take that. So, here. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pour it all over. You gotta be kidding me. So, I'm sorry if you can't see right now. So you see these sprinkles? This is my plant. I'm gonna cut it and put it all over the chair. And then use this and then scoop it. Not like last time. Because I'm trying a new method. Like again, I am so sorry if you can't see. It's because, yeah. So I'm just gonna spread this all around. Hope there's no glitter if I sit on this while I'm eating. That's gonna be bad. Here, you can stare at those sparkles. Girly or boy. Yeah, you know what? I don't think any boy's gonna watch this. Especially because of the name. I keep getting glitter all over. Stop it. But I'm gonna pour. There we go. Now I'm just gonna massage it. Okay, so now let's take this. Take it out. Whoa. Here, I'll show you the colors. These are so cool. And to me in the camera, it looks like, or my phone, it looks like it's light blue and dark blue. But then when I don't look at the camera, it looks like it's dark green, light green. You know? Tell me. Or am I just like colorblind? Don't know. Wait, do they call it colorblind? Yeah, I think they call it colorblind. Here, I'm gonna need you. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just collecting all of it, putting it right here. Even the ones right here. Yeah, I'm scooping it away from you. This is mine. Mine. I'm like, come on. So, I'm so sorry. So you can see, I put it all in the middle. And now I'm just going to do this. I am so sorry if you can't see. It's just that my camera's like broken. I really wish I had someone to like hold my phone. Right now it's like really stretchy and it smells like chocolate. So yeah. There we go. I just mixed it up. So see you at the short of no. So you had the short of slime collection that my brother's gonna help me edit on because I don't know how to edit. So see you later.